Hey everybody, it's Dr. Mac here. Just wanted to give a quick little video overview as we're launching into Module 2. And I posted the assigned discussion directors for the rest of the semester and wanted to go over that real quickly. So I'm here on the stream and things seem to be going well. People are starting to figure out how to do some of the tech, and when they don't know, you're asking your classmates, and that's awesome. So I wanted to go through that and just say thanks to everybody who's helping each other out. So we're in language arts, our class, and we're starting now our cracking the code, which is really about phonemic awareness and phonics. Now, there was a couple questions about who has to do what kinds of tasks, and I'll go through that in the syllabus as well. The class is broken up into certification and master students. If you're master's plus certification, like you don't have a certification, you're doing this reading. If you're already certified and you're just working on your master's degree, you're doing this reading. Everybody needs to do this reading, the Yop and Yop article. So that's how the readings go. And the same goes through for the finals too, because you might want to start if you're working on your certification, you might want to start thinking about the finals, and those are also broken up based on your what you have to do. So if we're over here and we look at the assignments for the final projects, master's plus certification, again, you're getting your master's degree and your certification. You are doing this project. All right, so that's a lesson plan portfolio. So as we're going through each of these units, you might want to do a lesson plan on phonemic awareness and phonics right now to kind of think about it as you're doing your readings. And so you don't get, this is an intense course, so you can plan ahead. Master's only students, you're already certified, you're not working towards certification. You can do a Common Core unit learning activity. You have to pick 2 of these activities. All right. You can build a classroom website. You can work on a digital literacy project, or you can work on a flipped classroom video, and we can talk about those tasks. So that's how there was a couple questions on how those were assigned, but I wanted to go over that. So for Module 2, I have also posted the discussion prompts activities. If you look right here, I described the discussion director responsibilities. And I was discussion director for Module 1, and I've done everything but post a wrap-up video or podcast describing themes or lessons learned. I'm hoping to get to that today. That usually happens the Wednesday or Thursday afterwards. You'll have a time to meet. For everybody who's worried about how do I do that? How do I make a video? I can do this with you. So what I'll do is there's 2 discussion directors for each of the modules. I will just set up a Google Hangout on air and invite you into it. The 3 of us will agree to a time where we're all available. And you talk for about 10, 15 minutes. I will post a couple examples on this page below after this video. Here are the assigned discussion directors for each of the modules. If you want to switch modules, you're just more interested in one topic over another, and somebody else was willing to switch with you, just send me an email and we can do the switching. So that's pretty much it. Things are going well. Our annotations, I have to change this link to the annotation stream, but our annotations are going quite well. And if some people are having trouble with the annotations, I think on the elementary literacy. What should happen if you're logged in, you should see over here where I can click on EDU 573 and I can see everyone's annotations. Now, if you're not in the group activity and you need a new invite, let me know, and I can do that. Also, if anybody wants to meet with me face-to-face next week, I can go into Southern one day. Just send me an email and we can set up a time to meet. So that's pretty much it. I'm looking forward to the class, and I thought the first module went very well. We didn't have that many issues with the technology. People are doing the readings, we're staying on top of their blogging, and the insights that we're getting were awesome. I really enjoyed the conversation on as reading a skill, and the debates on whether we should level books, the debates on whether we need to think about our kinesthetic and our auditory learners, and thinking about those different kinds of elements. So the discussion I thought this week was phenomenal, and I'm looking forward to do my wrap-up video later on today. All right, everybody, thanks so much.